waves. The vibration produces energy in the form of waves. Auditory range 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Longitudinal wave travel through medium, solid, liquid, gases. With the speed depends the properties of the medium. Audible wave frequency range 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Example: vocal cords and stretched strings. Audible waves cannot hear by human ear. That is example ultrasonic waves that is greater than 20 Hz. Human eyes cannot detect these waves. Example: dolphin. Echo. An echo sound reproduced due to the reflection of the original sound from various rigid surfaces such as wall seals. Concept halls or curved Y. When a person is talking at once focus, his voice can be heard distinctly, at other focus its multiple reflections. Sound waves from the curved wall. Mention two cases which there is no Doppler effect in sound. In two cases which there is no Doppler effect in sounds, when source S and listener L or rest. S and L move such a distance between them remains constant. Why does sound travels faster on a rainy day than on a dry day? During rainy days, the moisture content is more in atmosphere, and the speed or velocity of sound, moisture content is more in atmosphere. Why does an empty vessel produce more sound than a filled one? The sound is produced by the vibration of the vessel. More vibration amplitude and frequency, more is the noise. More is the pressure, less is sound. Next question. Applications of Doppler effects. Frequency shift, that is a Pauli sound. To measure the speed of an automated electromagnetic wave, wave is reflected, the frequency shift reflected, and determine the speed of the car. Satellite. Tracking the satellite, the frequency of radio wave emitted. Finally, measuring the changes in the frequency of the radio waves. Location of the satellite is studied. One of the Doppler effect. Frequency of radio waves, that is a radar. Radar waves were sent. The reflected waves detected by the receiver of the radar station. Finally, aircrafts are tracked. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging. In sonar, by measuring the change in the frequency between the sent signal and received signal, the speed of the marine animals determined. Sonic vibrations, 3 uses. Using sonar, measure the depth of the sea and presence of stones in gallbladder and kidney and homogeneous milk in milk glands. Applications of echo for fetus conditions. Doppler effect, there is a relative motion between the source and listener. The frequency of the sound heard is different from the original frequency of the sound emitted by the source. Sonic vibrations in animals, bats, dolphins and mosquitoes. Speed of the sound using echo, it is equal to distance traveled by time taken, 2d divided by t. Please try to find out audible ranges and types of waves. That is a vocal cord. It's a review on time. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.